promote, of course, the number one promoter, Nkore Media, straight out representing Mbarara. So Natuaja Street, you can see Mbarara. So we are High Street, Mbarara, Nkore Media, and to rave. So Amakura Mabaga, Go Jangu, Speaker of Parliament, Jacobo Olanya, Yabasakubanafa, Kancha, President, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Achitaye, Namakurgo Sasi, Fegwa, Omuntuamani Ko, Jacobo Olanya, Ogweni agricultural economist, kandi lawyer, kandi politician, ubira speaker wa parliament 11. Parliament 11 erimo umujo wito bakweta Julius, erimo nabandi bingi. So amakuru agahamwe Rwanda jagu yafa kandi ukwakija yabaho speaker banyuma yo kujangwa akadifitinga honorable ari twara kadag kandi yabasa kuba namukira obejere n'amakuru go busasi kandi yabira maziro gwire abwire bakomujanja ba uko munsezeza heru kandi bakamuronda ebiro bakamuronda ebirabira na bina byo kwa katano 2021 niza kwaho brief nigashimiza kwaho brief introduction eri kumukwataho kandi bice. So Jacobo Olanya was a Ugandan agricultural economist, lawyer and politician who served as the speaker of the 11th Parliament of Uganda from 2021 to 2022, but passed on 20th March 2022 in Seattle. He was elected at the position on 24th May 2021 after defeating the former Speaker Rebecca Ritwara Kadag. He served as a deputy speaker of Ugandan Parliament from May 2011 until May 2021. Olanya was also a member of Parliament representing the Omoro County constituency, Omoro district. Achori sub-region, abantu ba Achori sub-region twashashani fegwa kandi umuntu wanyu munonga politician wa man munonga Jacobo Olanya. So I've been representing Omoro County constituency, Omoro district, Achori sub-region. In the northern region, so abantu ba northern region twashashani munonga kandi okwa kazarwa guru Uganda ebirabiri na bishatu March 2022. So rwazagwa so mushija yafa kandi it's a very sad story. Nationality no mu Uganda kandi akashomera Makerere University yashoma Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Laws, yaza Law Development Center, yashoma diploma in legal practice. So basically abajo munyamakuru aba lawyer abajo munyabaragira munonga. So tikumanya bonjera ninga. He was born in the Guru district on 23rd March 1965 to Nathan Lokoli and Kareni Atoni. So ishawa Jacobo Olanya nibamwita Nathan Lokoli na Kareni Atoni gunumukazi. Attended St. Joseph's College, Laibi, Dr. Obote College, Boroboro, and Nkore Senior Secondary School for his O-level and A education. In 1988, he joined Makerere University, the oldest university in East Africa, where he studied agricultural economics. So, agricultural economics. He graduated in 1991 with a Bachelor of Arts in the subject. That's the same year. He entered law school also at Makerere. So, akabaza yashoma degree yo kubanza yeza yagaruka yashoma ndiju. Graduating in 1994 with a Bachelor of Laws degree. He served as Speaker of the University Students Guild during the stay at Makerere. So akabaho Speaker wa Guild ningashi wajom Guild government kandi akabaho Speaker. So in 1995 he attended the Law Development Center LDC where he obtained postgraduate diploma in legal practice. Career. Following his graduation from the LDC, Olanya worked as a lecturer at the center. During the same time frame, he began private law practice at the law firm of Olanya Honori Company Advocates. Ija yakora company yo bwa lawyer kandi yabona lecturer. So ni mwabana, you can be inspired, so you can keep up in academic kamwe no basakuza yo ngere ushome. In 2001, he entered politics by successfully contesting for the parliamentary seat of Omoro County in the Guru district under the no-party system, also known as the movement political system. He was, however, a card holder of the Uganda People's Congress (UPC). He also participated in the peace talk between the government of Uganda and the Road Resistance Army rebels in 2006. Standing as a UPC candidate, he lost his election bid in July 2006 he quit the UPC and joined the ruling national. So obu NRM akazamu 2006 NRM. So he served as chairman of the Commission of Inquiry into controversial sub-lease of Chiseka Market, one of the municipal markets in the city of Kampala. In March 2011, Olanya was elected representative of Omoro County, then in Nkore district in the 9th parliament. This time, on the NRM ticket, he was elected as a deputy of the parliament on 19th May 2011. Following the February 2016 general election, Olanya was re-elected as the deputy speaker of the parliament on 9th May 2016. In the vote conducted by secret ballot, he received 300 votes. On 19th, Oulanyah was awarded an honorary doctorate of divinity by Zoo Life Theology College, USA, and acquired the title of doctor, enabling him to be called RT Honorable Dr. Jacobo L. Olanya. On 2021 May 2021, Jacobo Olanya was voted Speaker of the Parliament. So this on 20th March 2022, President Museveni announced through his Twitter account that the former registrator has passed on today. 20th March in Seattle, so nimwe yafera kandi amakuru ni gago. So amakuru go bisasa ni gago obudiye musaga wataka subscribe jira Nkore Media, kindly subscribe for the latest news, for the entertainment, for everything. Nkore Media TV wanda kukodingesha shongoro no recording na massive records amuri barra wanda kukodingesha shongoro. You can call us turaba high street opposite na share Nkore and we are 1 week studio tuantukoranye ziki James Sagana promoter, of course, the number one. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni no yashoza makuraga kandi nago bisasa mununga akuba hatabazaga ko mukarom parliament ibintu nibyo bitari birunzi nibyo bitangwe. Otherwise, mwe abantu batureba, we sign out for now. James Saga representing Nkore Media. Salute.